Do not sit around drinking on election day. That appeal to PNP supporters from party president Mark Golding ahead of the polls. Mr. Golding says he wants the people to focus on the mission at hand, which is to vote, as some divisions could be very marginal. Dwayne Anderson has this report.
Parts of central Kingston and western St. Andrew were the latest stops for PNP President Mark Golding and the other members of the party's leadership as they try to shore up support ahead of the local government election, which is only 10 days away. Mr. Golding told supporters they can help the party achieve something special this election, which is why he doesn't want them to use election day to simply consume the drink many of them commonly refer to as special.
The 26th is a vital date for Jamaica. It's a vital date for the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation. It's a vital day for Raytown. Last time if Raytown decide how the KSAC go, and by one vote it went the wrong way. So we know, so we have to take it extra serious right here. So there's no rum and boom business on election day. It's a serious business. We need every PNP supporter to come out and vote for Sean McGregor, X beside the head.
Almost drowned out by vuvuzelas and the cheering supporters in Raytown, Mr. Golding said this is the vibe he's seeing all across Jamaica for the PNP this time around.
Our people want to see us back in power, and so they're prepared to stand up and deal with the matter. And I encourage each and every one here, whether it be from East Kingston and Port Royal side, Central Kingston side, Almonton or Raytown, please take this one serious, because history will be made and you will be part of making that history. And we need to turn the table on them. Jamaica needs a PNP back in office, a government with integrity, a government looking out for the people who need help, a government that you can rely on to build institutions to support the needy, to support the vulnerable, to support the masses of the people.
MP for Western St. Andrew Anthony Hilton also used the occasion to raise an issue which he says concerns many of his constituents, especially those in and around Riverton.
These are the same people, comrades, that said that not only are they going to move the dump, because we have said we don't want a dump, we want a proper landfill. We want a proper sanitary landfill. Their plan is to move it and move it entirely because they want the land on 109 acres on which the dump sits. That's the real plan. They want the land for them friends and company.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.